So now let's see how we can work around with light effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around onto the file menu and then I'm going to go around and choose import. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select an image, let's say for example right here, and then bring this in. So now in order to go ahead and apply the light effect to it, you should first go around onto the effects menu right here just like this, and then you can go to the adjust section. Then over here you can see that light is an option right here. So once you go around onto the light section, you can go ahead and change around the brightness level of the light, as you can see. So you can go around, make it really bright, or you can go around and make it dark right here just like this. Apart from that, you also have the option to work around with the contrast. That is, you can control the difference between the level of black and white right here just like this, as you go ahead and increase and decrease this out, as you can see right here just like this. You can also work around and change around the intensity right here, so you can make it dark or bright, as you can see right here just like this as well. Apart from that, you can work around with the highlights, that is, control out the bright areas of the image right here. And then you can work around with the shadows, that means you can work around with the dark image areas right here. And then you can control out the midtones as well, so you can decrease it out and increase it out as well. So that is how you can work around with the light effect right here inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.